Instant Pot Duo Nova is another model in the Instant Pot Duo series, known for its versatility and convenience in the kitchen. It offers a range of cooking functions and features that make meal preparation easier and more efficient. Here are some key features of the Instant Pot Duo Nova. Multifunctional cooking. The Duo Nova combines the functions of multiple kitchen appliances, including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. It allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes with one device. One-touch programs. It comes with one-touch cooking programs for popular dishes such as soup, chili, rice, poultry, and more. These preset programs simplify the cooking process and ensure consistent results. Advanced safety features. The Duo Nova incorporates several safety features to provide peace of mind during cooking. These include a lid that locks automatically during pressure cooking, a pressure release valve, anti-blockage vent, automatic temperature control, and more. Easy-to-use controls. The control panel of the Duo Nova features a large display and intuitive buttons for selecting functions, adjusting cooking time and pressure, and setting delay start times. It is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Cooking progress indicator. The appliance has a progress indicator that shows the current stage of the cooking process. This allows you to monitor the progress at a glance and know when the cooking is complete. Stainless steel inner pot. The Duo Nova comes with a durable and easy-to-clean stainless steel inner pot. It is dishwasher safe and can be used for sautéing, browning, and cooking a variety of ingredients. Size options. The Duo Nova is available in different sizes, such as 6-quart, 8-quart, and 10-quart, allowing you to choose the capacity that suits your cooking needs and the size of your family. As always, refer to the user manual provided with the appliance for specific instructions on using different functions and safety precautions.